All right, we're here in our flooded apartment unit. The guest said that a line had burst. That's down empty right now. The toilet has shredded toilet paper in the bottom. I've placed a towel here where they said that the water pipe was busted. We're gonna turn it on. Here we go. All right, there it is, turned on all the way. I don't see any busted pipe. Nothing's leaking here. Toilet's filling up. All right, the toilet has filled up. The toilet is functioning properly. There's 0 leaks at the pipe or the toilet supply line. Let's flush the toilet and see what we get. You see all those bubbles? That is because the toilet was clogged up and overflowed, causing all this damage. And that's why you saw the shredded toilet paper in the bottom of the toilet where it had backed up. No water line or supply line leaks, none whatsoever. You can see some sediment and dirt and debris on this toilet supply line. It is not brand new. It's been here for a good year or two. There you go. Clogged the toilet. flushed a bunch of stuff down and clogged the toilet. And flooded my house. So, there's your problem.